If you want to connect Wi-Fi on your laptop when Wi-Fi is not showing, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video helps you fix Wi-Fi on your laptop, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. First, click on the Wi-Fi or network icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. If the Wi-Fi option is not showing, click on the arrow to check if it is hidden. Now, make sure airplane mode is turned off. Next, restart your laptop and check if the Wi-Fi option appears. If Wi-Fi is still not showing, right-click on the Start button. From the menu, select Device Manager. Now expand the Network Adapter section. Look for your wireless, Wi-Fi, or WLAN adapter. If you see it, right-click on it and select Enable Device if that option is available. If the Wi-Fi adapter has a warning icon, right-click on it and select Update Driver. After updating the driver, restart your laptop. Once your laptop starts again, click on the network icon and check if your Wi-Fi networks are now showing. Finally, select your Wi-Fi network, enter your Wi-Fi password, and click Connect.